So I'm gonna be changing my rear sway bar links, and then I'm also gonna be changing my bushings for both sides. Like when I get out of the car, I'm hearing like, do you hear that noise? And then also, when I take off the wheel, I'll show you guys one of my actual links is broken, so I decided to just change it, you know? So I'll show you guys that right now. As you can see, this thing literally broke off. When I took off the wheel, I was doing my brakes the other day, my rear brakes, and then I noticed that, so that's how I decided to do this. It's just been, the weather's been like sunny and then it's been cold, so like I've been kind of putting it off, right? But today I'm planning to do it, and then I was like, you know what, let me just also change this bushing here one time. There's just 2 bolts, so shouldn't be too hard. 2 bolts here, 1, 2, 2 bolts over here, 1, 2. We'll see how it goes. Just gonna put some WD-40 just to loosen up the bolts. This is the part we got. It's a move part, so it should be okay. Honestly, these it looks way better quality than the OEM. Unless these aren't really OEM, I'm not really sure. But it looks like it's OEM. I'm sure this guy that I got it from, I don't think he really changed anything on this car, so that's why I got it for so cheap, you know? It was just nice outside, but now all of a sudden it's windy as hell. So these are the bushings. I'm gonna change these first. It should be just 2 12 millimeters. Yeah, just put an extension. Because it's taking too long, please don't break. This bracket just came off like this. This just slips off. Simple, just like that. Simple shit. Then I'm gonna take this off. That should be good. There's not really much space here, so you kind of gotta work with what you have. Need something to hold that though. It keeps spinning. You'll need a wrench or channel lock, I mean, to hold this so it doesn't keep spinning. I just broke it off. Stupid design. So hey, what's going on, guys? My phone actually died, so I couldn't show you what I was doing, but I was basically just struggling the whole time. My bro, he came over and he gave me a vice grip because I didn't have one, which is, now that I think about it, I really should have one of those. Fucking stupid. But I just held it with this. I took off all of this shit, like the cover or whatever, and then I just held it with the vice grip, and then I used this gun. I was trying to use this at first, but this is not really meant for torque, so it wasn't really helping. But like I got it off kind of like partially, but I really just took this, and then I could barely fit it. Like it was really tight in here when I was trying to get it in, but I was able to kind of like maneuver it in, and then, you know, popped it off real quick, and then that was it. So I'm just gonna put everything back together, put in my bushing, have to bolt those 2 bolts, and all I gotta do is just bolt this up. And what's good about this one is you can actually have this thing right here ridge, so you can actually hold it so it doesn't spin on you. So eventually, if I ever have to do this again, it should be way easier in the future. But yeah, so it shouldn't take too long. I'm gonna put this in right now, and then I got these goggles, guys. So it's getting pretty dark. It's already 8:30 now, but hopefully the other side shouldn't take as long as this side, but who knows, we'll see. And I really wanted to get my mom's car, well, my sister's car. I wanted to wash her engine bay, but that might be a tomorrow thing, unless, you know, I don't know, we'll see how it goes. So yeah, let's do this. I think I'm gonna get one of those M12 stubby ratchets, and it should make shit easy, you know? This shit, honestly, you shouldn't have took this long. I was planning to do a whole bunch of other stuff today, but working on your car is always good. Yeah, so I just finished up my run. It's pretty late. Like, luckily the lights just turned off at 11, so it's 11:15. I just been trying to find something to eat. So yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna get some shawarma, but I don't know. I'll see, because I didn't really eat much today. So I had like a quencher from Tim Hortons, and then I bought like one of those Tim Hortons sandwich. So yeah, it's pretty late. I'm trying to get home, so I'm gonna eat this, grab something to eat real quick, and then go straight to bed after. So, but yeah, this thing is like 20 minutes away. So, and they close at 1. It's like this Iraqi kind of street food place. So I'm gonna try it out. fucking tired, yo. This guy here, the whip right here. And this is the place we're going to. So let's grab this shit right now. See what it's saying. I don't know my mic. I don't know if my mic's really working, but we'll see. This is it. I would have ate inside, but they're about to close, so I came at a good time, but you know, like, I kind of wanted to eat inside, but it's okay. I always go to this place called Suma, like around the corner. This is like Ridgeway Plaza in Mississauga. Holy, look at this. This should look pretty good, yo. I can't lie. Pretty good stuff. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of the video finally. Like, I'm gonna knock this down and then go to sleep. Tomorrow's a new day. So thanks again for watching, guys. Take care, and like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications.